Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking your laptop model and operating system so you know which menus to use. Once done, plug in the charger and close background apps to prevent interruptions. Next, find the function lock key on the keyboard, often labeled FN lock, a padlock, or integrated with ESC. If that key isn't present, you will open BIOS or UEFI. Restart, press F2 or delete model dependent, and enter firmware settings. Make sure you note current settings before changing anything. Now toggle the FN behavior directly. Press FN plus ESC or FN with the key showing a lock. This often flips between multimedia and function key default. If that fails, open your operating system keyboard settings or the vendor utility, Lenovo Vantage, HP Quick Launch, and change the default action. These apps expose a simple switch. If still unresolved, reboot into BIOS/UEFI, navigate to Advanced or System Configuration. Find Function Key Behavior, and choose Function Keys or Multimedia as your finish by saving any changes and rebooting. Test F1 through F12, both with and without the FN key to confirm the behavior matches your choice. If keys still act unpredictably, update the keyboard driver and any vendor utility, because outdated software often overrides hardware toggles. Make sure to try resetting BIOS to defaults if a firmware setting seems stuck. If problems persist after these steps, contact manufacturer support. Describe what you changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.